Hey, welcome back. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shana. If you're not new, well, thank you for coming back. So, I am actually going to organize my vanity. Well, at least the makeup drawer I'm going to do. So if you haven't seen my new Amazon makeup vanity, I'll leave a link to that video down below if I already posted it already. If not, it'll be coming out soon cuz I just filmed that last night. So this is my only day off this week. So I want to get this done, you guys. So like I said, that video will more than likely already be up. I'll leave a link to that video down below if you would like to see what kind of vanity I got. Anyways, I'm only going to use one of the drawers for makeup, and that's going to be the drawer right next to my Alex 5 drawer unit I have over here to the right side of me. And then the drawer right here to my left will be hair care products. I was looking through all of my organization bins and stuff like that. Like I was thinking about utilizing clear acrylic because I'm gonna show you really fast. I have a lot of like little clear acrylic bins and like even the white basket looking organizations from Dollar Tree. But I kept looking through my stuff and I forgot I have this item here from IKEA. When I got this on clearance. So I do not know if they still sell these. So I'm going to be using this. It's like, I guess, a drawer tray. I don't know if this will be, maybe this might be like part of like the kitchen drawer situation, but this is what it looks like. So as you can see, it has five different little components on here. And like I said, I picked this up on clearance. This is what this particular organizer is called. Um, Hope you guys can see that. As you can see, that's how much it was. That's what I paid for. But yeah, that's the organizer. And I'm actually going to be utilizing it, like I said, as for my makeup on like a quick everyday makeup situation here. All right, so I have this big drawer open, and I know when I initially did my vanity, showing you guys what it looked like, I did not take the measurements, but I do have this measuring tape. So the inside of the drawer is roughly 20 3/4 inches. Woo! By roughly 15 inches wide. And then I already went through my brushes. I'm gonna put like my big face brushes here, my eyeshadow brushes, and my concealer brushes here. So now we're gonna move on to the next sections over here. First, I'm gonna find me a daily moisturizer and situation because I do get ready in here every morning. So I'm gonna find that first. I picked out all my skincare. We're just gonna jump right into it. I have the Grace and Stella eye mask here. I just emptied out the whole entire box just now. It's like it's empty. And here are the eye masks. I'm gonna put them right here in the drawer. For moisturizer, I'm going to be using this Beauty Stat Universal Pro By Moisture Boost Cream for all skin types. It's a little sample. I'm trying to use up my samples I have, so I'm going to add this, and I'm going to be testing this out along with my Belief I love this moisture bomb here. I really do love this stuff a lot. I've been using this like the last week or two. I have not had the chance to buy the big container again, but I love this stuff. My confidence in a cream from It Cosmetics, that's actually in the other area I do my nighttime routine in. So I don't actually use that in the morning. I got the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Eye Cream. I am going to be testing this out. Never tried it, but I'm going to be using that. So as skincare goes, this is kind of like skincare too. This is the Bobbi Brown Enriched Face Base. I'm going to be utilizing this like as a moisturizer slash primer situation. So we're going to put that right here. And for primers, like face primers, I'm just going to go ahead and use up or attempt to use up the e.l.f. Pro Grip Primer. This is like my second one. I'm also going to be utilizing the All Nighter Primer. It's just a little sample one. Well, it is a sample, but I do love this primer. So going on to this section here, I'm going to put my foundations and my concealers. And I'm actually just going to place, because I already did a makeup clean out, I'm just going to put all of the foundations I have in here. That's about, I know I have more concealers, but that's about all I'm going to have in here. I've been using the Urban Decay, ooh, y'all, my throat, the Urban Decay translucent powder here. I'm going to be adding this because I like this stuff. I'm also going to be using my one size powder in dark medium. Where's my other powders? Yeah, I done had all this stuff out. I still haven't tried this, so I'm gonna test this out probably today. This is Bare Minerals. This is their original mineral veil. I'm gonna test this out because I haven't even tried it. Where's Fenty? Y'all don't mind the cover. It's kind of dirty, okay? It's kind of dirty, but my Fenty Beauty powder in banana. I'm gonna put that one here because I do love using that one. I actually got a lot of room in here. Hold up, wait a minute. There we go. Okay, well, you still got some room. I'm actually gonna pull out a new powder here. Y'all, I get a lot of stuff from work, okay? A lot of stuff. This is something that I've had for a while, and I want to break this out. This is a new Fenty powder, and this is actually in lavender. So we are going to break that out. That's a pretty shade. Pretty shade. We're gonna add that in here. I think that's it with that. Now mascara, I'm just gonna add Too Faced. I'm gonna add this one here by L'Oreal. It's a blue mascara. I'm gonna add this purple mascara too. Go ahead and open that. You guys, I actually got a lot of unopened makeup that I have yet to play with, so I'll put that in there. I do have I like this brow product better than this one here, the 24-hour brow setter. So I'm actually just gonna put this one in here. I have a black mascara from e.l.f. I have my Anastasia brow definer, and I just have like a lip balm that I'm gonna put in here. Honestly, y'all, I don't exactly wear eyeshadow palettes at all to work, but I do wear them on my day off. So I'm actually just gonna put two in here. I'm gonna put this one here, the Ornate palette from ColourPop, and I'm gonna put this Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette in here. Nope, you're gonna get lost. So we're just going to slide you in just like that. So that is all for my, I guess this is going to be my makeup drawer for the month of December, you guys. Let me know what you guys think. about my makeup drawer. Like, I'm happy I was able to fit everything in here. Like I said, this is like all of my foundations. So, yeah, let me know what you guys think. Ooh, I'm gonna add this concealer in there too. This is by Maybelline, so I want to use it up. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna add in here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, please once again, please go ahead and subscribe. If you haven't seen any of my other videos, please look down below. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.